So here we've got our Tyvek installed over our window rough opening. Tyvek's nice and flat. I think from this point forward, probably obvious, but start with a fresh blade. It's going to make every step from here on out better. If the blade gets slightly dull, definitely swap it out. I can see and feel my window opening, so I just run my hand along. I know right where it is. And what we're going to do is we're just going to trim this window opening flush. Right all the way around. We got it trimmed flush on 3 sides. Now this is where things get different. At this point, we're going to trim over about 6 inches on this side, and if we weren't at a corner, we would also trim over about 6 inches right there with the top of the window, and then we'll run our knife up about 12 inches. And we'll cut away this guy right here. So in theory, what that gives us is clear access to the window opening to install the window, and then we can fold our flat back down. That'll be our primary barrier for directing any rain that comes down and gets behind the sliding. I put minimal staples in this guy, so if there's any place where the Tyvek needs to be tight, run a few staples in it. The staple is sticking up proud, drive it flat. We don't want it interfering with our flashing tape. Our next step is going to be to install our flashings.